So here we are at the back, the bee on a flower, a lovely little lupin. But main reason I brought you out here today is because I have this patch here, and I'm not sure if it comes across on the video. Oh god, you're finding out why it's called the Wobbly Garden right now. So don't look at the chaos of the garden, it's wildflowers, okay? But there's, it's almost a 20-degree sort of slope there, and you can see a bit of cardboard left over. And I was going to sow wildflowers on it, and I did. But unfortunately, because it drained so quickly, and I didn't keep up with the watering because I was having a bit of a bad time, they all died, which is sad. So I'm just trying to ponder what to do with it. Now, I've got a load of rocks from my mother, but I don't think it's suitable, really, for a rockery. Let me take you around on the steps now. I can hold on to something. Yeah. So I've got a few ideas, but if you have any, I'm rather curious. Now, to be perfectly honest, it's kind of west facing. The sun, as you can tell, rises over there, tracks across and sets on the other side of the house. So in all aspects, it's kind of west facing. However, it does get a lot of light. And at the moment, over here, I've got a Verbena bonariensis, I think that's how you pronounce it, growing ridiculously tall on the east-facing border. A huge salvia, which I've managed to get some cuttings from, and I may do a video about how to take salvia cuttings if anyone is interested. A ridiculously tall foxglove, a floribunda. Well, I don't think they're called that anymore, are they? It's just plain white rose. It's absolutely stunning, and it smells, it's not too strong, which is rather nice, but I need to really sort that out. So ignore that corner. That corner doesn't exist right now. So I was wondering, if I propagate some of these plants, would they enjoy living over here? See, it's not going to be easy putting compost. I'll probably have to sort of almost terrace the damn thing. I don't know, but beside the point. So I'll have a think about it. Look at those! I've got tons of them in the grass. Not sure if the video will show them. They're called, the common name is fox and cubs. I'll put up on the screen what their Latin name is, because I have literally no idea until I get back in. But yes, also potatoes are going insane. They've grown really well this year. No, birds in the tree are not happy at me because I'm stood right by the bird feeder. So, well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that little thing. It was kind of inspired by oh, here comes the wind. It was inspired by Sean, and I'll leave a link to his stuff below, so go check him out. He's very, very cool. However, yeah, so if you've got any ideas, please let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. They are up randomly, and so if you click the bell icon, you'll get notified when I randomly upload a video.